Hello everyone, welcome once again to this channel. In this episode, we'll be looking at how to build a function in Python. To begin with, a function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single action. So whenever you have that function built, you can use it whenever you want to with any data that you have. And in Python, you can build your own function, and by doing that, you would need def, which defines the function. It tells you that you are building a function. It tells Python that you are building a function. And after you have your function name, which is case sensitive, into brackets, arguments, which you can have as many as you want, depending on the function that you are building. After that, you have your colon. Enter variable equals to your computations. And then after, you return your variable. So this is our syntax for building a function in Python. Okay, so let's build a function now. I'll be building pressure, which is equal to force over area, in terms of force and area. So I'll have my def, then my pressure being my function name. So pressure into brackets, my arguments, which will be force over area, because that will be the computation variables. Okay, so F comma A, that is force and area, and I have my colon after that. So I'll have P as my variable, which is equal to F divided by A. And then I'll return P. So this is a function. This will give me pressure whenever I provide actual arguments of F and A. Okay, and then if you don't want to go through the stress, you can just return the computation aspect of the function. So instead of assigning it to P, you can just do return you can just do return the F over A, which is the computation aspect of it. So after naming your function, providing arguments, you just return your computation aspect of it. That should be fine. When you want to test your function, you call your function, that is a function name, and then provide actual arguments. So 210, 319, and then 7. Okay, so you can run the whole thing. Then test our function with actual arguments. So our pressure for this is 45. Okay. Also, you can just create random variables, random numbers, and then run with your function, and then yeah, you get your pressures. So in this case, I'll just create random variables, and before that, I have to import a package that is sp scipy as sp. Okay, so we are going to create the random variable. So f equals to sp dot rand n. Okay. Into brackets, maybe 6 random numbers. And then for area, to create 6 random numbers. Okay, then after we'll just call our function and then run this with it. So we have f and then a as our argument. So let's run this. Okay, so I have to run the whole thing so that my, okay, imported package will be in there. Now run this. I have my random pressure values. And then you can plot this to see how it will look like. Before you plot, you put your matplotlib dot py plot as plt. Then we just plot our pressures. So plt dot plot into brackets. And we can assign the function to a variable so that we just plot that variable. So w equals to our function, and in this case we just plot w. So let's run everything. Yeah, so this is our plots. Thank you for watching, and visit more for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye.